Got this at Marshals for 15 bucks. And I'm gonna drill holes in the bottom. Or try. And hopefully it won't break. Before. Here's the results. So there's the holes I made, and I hope they don't crack any further, and everything will be just fine. So I made a little mound of dirt for underneath for support, a little bit of water to keep from smoking out. I mean, like butter almost. I don't know if I made it through or not. I made it through. Now the question is, should I do more? I mean, I'll do as many as I can, I guess. That battery's almost dead though. Oh, we got penetration. 1, 2, 3. That should do it. It's for this one's new home in the middle. It's hard to tell.